Se tano. Again, se tano. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is tano, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about tano. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 368. Tano. Tano. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is tan, second syllable is o. Pronounce it with me. Tano. Tano. Tano means individual word, or it is used to pertain an individual word in Korean. Again, tano means word. How do we write tano in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, dan, we need to draw first a dikat character, followed by an a character, followed by a nian character. And then for the second syllable, o, we need to draw first a ph or placeholder iyang, followed by an o character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to form the Hangul of the word tano. Now let's look at this example. It says new word. Again, new word. The Korean translation of that example is se tano. Again, it's se tano. So we will look into the details of this Korean translation. So the first part of the Korean translation is se. This is the Korean term for new. And the second part is tano, which is our word for today, and it pertains to an individual word. So when we say se tano, it means new word. Again, se means new, tano means word. Se tano means new word. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of se tano is new word. And with that, you've just learned tano. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 358 to 367. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 368, tano, which means individual word. The first word for our review is word number 367. It's byungwon, which means hospital. Next word for our review is 똑같은, which means same. Next word is pi, which means blood. Next word is panmal, which means informal speech. Next word is michida, which means to go crazy. Next word is 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next word is 가장, which means most. And the last word for our review is word number 358, sowan, which means wish. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.